Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on the oil cooler brackets that I was building on the last video, and we're gonna keep moving forward with that. Try to hopefully get these oil coolers mounted up, and yeah, keep moving forward with the build. Yeah, so far this is what we got to help the bumper stay on. That's a reinforcement there. And then we got over here, we need to go ahead and build the other side. That'll be the transmission cooler. And also what I'm gonna be doing is doing some CAD work, which is cardboard aided design, to make some ducts to force air to that direction of the oil coolers on both sides. So you'll be seeing that. And yeah, so hopefully today's video I could get everything mounted up. So let's go ahead and get started with this project. All right, so basically I got everything already squared up with the mounts for the coolers. What I'm gonna wind up doing is go ahead and relocating these coolers. This is the transmission cooler. This is the oil cooler, but I'm gonna replace that with another cooler that I just purchased. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that. I went and purchased this cooler here. It's an aluminum cooler. Kind of think I've fucked it up a little bit by cutting off the tabs. That's supposed to be the mounting tabs. So I'm gonna have to figure out now a way to mount this cooler down below here. I cut off the tabs because it didn't really fit the frame of what I what I made. And yeah, so I scaled everything off of this cooler here. Obviously this cooler is way bigger than this one, way longer. It was supposed to be about the same size, but oh well, we'll work it out. So I'm just gonna temporarily mount these coolers in place and get an idea of where I want them to be. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and relocate them, get them where I want them to be, and let's keep moving forward. All right, so I got these temporarily mounted in this spot where I want them to be. Looking pretty nice, pretty cool, pretty good. It's in a nice location. I pulled down the lines out of their location, but I'm not going to connect them until I get the nylon braided lines later on. Yeah, so far it's looking good. You can't really see it from here, but that's where it's going to be mounted. What I'm going to do is go ahead and drop on the bumper and see how it looks. I'm supposed to be doing some directional porting for the coolers from the bumper to the cooler. So I will be doing some mock-ups on that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing it and see how much I get done. All right, so here we are the next day. I went ahead and went back over this shell with fiberglass mat to reinforce it a little bit more, and I also used epoxy resin instead of using normal polyurethane resin. Polyester resin. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and demold these and see how they fit. All right, so I pretty much got everything where I needed to be, looking pretty good, and that's gonna be it for this video. So, all right, so on the next video, hopefully I'm gonna be finishing out this fender here, and that'll be it for the body panels along the sides and front, and then I'm gonna focus my energy on the back, on the rear of the vehicle, and get that nice and squared out Hopefully could get some panel bond sometime this week or next week, so we could go ahead and bond these panels onto the side, and then there'll be the side skirts, and that'll be basically it for the car. Hopefully I'll be finished with the exterior where I can start doing the body work and getting things to the final stages. So as usual, if you enjoyed today's content, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that post notification down below, and let's check you on the next video. Peace.